Hello, and welcome to this Solana update. Now, from a chart perspective, my view is that there are better opportunities out there and that Solana's time in the spotlight is kind of over. Now, that doesn't mean that Solana is going to go into a bear market. It's still going to perform well in this bull market, but it's just not going to perform as well as other assets. Now, starting out, just want to show you the larger picture. So I've done this in advance here. We have our wave 1, our wave 2 low to the yearly cycle low. We're in this wave 3 now. We've completed our wave 3 of lower degree. We're in wave 4 right now, similar to Bitcoin. And we only have one wave left. Now the targets for this bull run, if we take the length of wave 1, we get the 1.618 at $432 and the 200% extension at 534. Now if we take the length of wave 1 and 3, it actually lined up pretty well with the 200% extension at 411 and the 2.618 at 536. So I think this is a good place to look for profit taking. Now, as far as this wave 4 correction, it could be in with this weekly cycle low here, but obviously it could, this daily cycle here could obviously fail and come down to a lower low, but we just have to wait out and see. Now I would also say that the wave 4, I'd say, is deep enough, so it doesn't need to get any lower than this, but preferably it should be stretched out longer. So I would like this daily cycle to be a chop around, basically, so not much action before the 10th of June. Now, just to recap on my ADA video, we talked about the 200 and the 50 crossing. Now, you can see here that Solana basically did the same thing as well in its wave 2 before putting in this wave 3. It actually crossed twice. Let's move to the Solana BTC chart. So as you can see here, I have a target here to the upside, which we actually reached. We went into it here. We also put in a bearish divergence on the RSI here, as you can see. Now, another thing I want to look at is the Solana to ADA chart. Now, as you can see here, we have a bearish divergence as well on the Solana to ADA chart, which shows that, I mean, Solana has performed very well compared to Cardano in the recent year, but it looks like we're about to top out. And also, if we look at the Solana to Polkadot chart, or the Polkadot to Solana chart, that is, you can see that the RSI is very oversold and it's putting in bullish divergence. My thesis is that we're going to see these underappreciated altcoins start to perform very well and start to basically outperform Bitcoin and Solana. So Solana has followed Bitcoin in so far. Like, Bitcoin has completed its wave 3 and is in wave 4 right now. Solana, similar. It has basically followed Bitcoin. Owning Solana has basically been owning Bitcoin on leverage, essentially. That's how I view it. Now, I think as alt season comes in, I think more these underappreciated altcoins, the ones with very low sentiment right now, I think those are the ones who are going to outperform Solana and Bitcoin going forward. Things like ADA, which you can see here on this chart, and Polkadot, basically. Now we could also look at what I think is pretty obvious. Yeah, you can see it's the same thing here with Avalanche. You have this. You have this bullish divergence going on here. So it just tells me that these altcoins that are in their wave 2s are just going to outperform from here on. But yeah, so that's my update on Solana. It still has room to the upside, just not as much as other altcoins, which is why I think other altcoins are going to outperform Solana going forward. So yeah, trade safe. Bye.